Hi, my name is Erwin, and today I'm going to present home alarm thingy. My goal is to make a home alarm and a system to scare people away. Design. What I used. I used 2 pairs of eyes, electronic ultrasonic sensors, 15 male-female wires, 1 buzzer, 1 button, 5 resistors. Build. Long story short, I added everything together and here you go, a home alarm system. Program. This is my program. Yay. I failed over 6 times overall. Rethink. I could improve my wires by spreading it out more and making it more organized. Play.
Can you explain to us what's going on?
So basically, the closer you get, the more lights are going to turn on. And then when the buzzer stops, you have to press this button and then it closes. Yeah, that's basically it.
Okay. All right, let's give a round of applause.